Okay guys, so let's determine the network address, broadcast address and net mask value and number of hosts for this given network. Okay, so the first thing you have to do is you have to understand this CIDR notation. So CIDR notation says it's 20. That means the 20 bits of the host IP address, the 20 bits of the host IP address are fixed and the rest of the bits are free. So some of the bits are fixed, the 20 bits are fixed and the remaining bits are free. So totally there are 32 bits in this network, in this address. It is 8 bits, it is made up of 8 bits. It is also made up of 8 bits. This is also 8 bits, this is also 8 bits. So what are those 8 bits means? See, let's say for example 192 is made up of 128 plus 64. 11000000. This is 192. So that's how 192 is here. Okay, let's say for example 168. So this is 1. So 128 plus 32. Yes, it is 60 plus 30. 160. 160 plus 8. So this is how it is. So this is 168. This is 192. This is how the bits have come. Sorry. So this is how the bits have come here. Okay. So what else you have to understand here is 20 bits are fixed means here 8 bits are fixed, here 8 bits are fixed and 4 bits here are fixed from the host IP address and the rest of the bits are turned off. That is what is network address. Network address means whatever the CIDR value is there, CIDR notation value, the number of bits are, those many number of bits are fixed and the rest of the bits are turned 0, that from the original host IP address. That's what is network address. So what is broadcast address then? Same thing. These many 20 bits are, these first 20 bits are fixed from the host IP address, rest are turned on. See, if it is turned off, that is network address. If they are all turned on, the free bits are turned on, that will become broadcast address. Okay, so let's understand this very clearly. So host IP address equals whatever the IP address is given, that's what is host IP address, 192.168.60.55. okay, this is what is host IP address. Since it says 20 bits are fixed, this is made of 8 bits, we know that. This is made of 8 bits, we know that. So 8 plus 8, it is 16 bits. 4 bits from here are fixed and the rest of the bits are turned 0. That's what will become network address, right? So network address equals, so these bits are fixed means from the host IP address means host as is it will retain, right? So after this 4 bits are fixed, 60 you have to convert it into this format, binary format here. 60 means, so here it is 32 plus 8 will become 40 plus 16 will become 56 plus 4 will become 60. This is 0, this is 0, this is 0, this is 0. This is what is 60, right? So from here clearly observe this. From here the 4 bits are fixed. These 4 bits are fixed as is, you have to write 0 0 1 1. The rest of the bits are turned off, 0 0 0 0. What is the value of this? Please find out what is the value of this. 32 plus 16, that will become 48. That is the value of this. So that's what you have to write here, 48 dot. So these rest of the bits are turned off means, so obviously all these 8 bits will be 0 0 0 0. That means the value is 0. That's what is your network address. Okay, this very similar way, broadcast address, the 20 bits are fixed means these two from the host IP address is same, 192.168 dot. The 4 bits are fixed here. That means these 4 bits, 60, right? From 60, these 4 bits are fixed. These 4. That means what is the value? oh yeah, whatever the value may be, 0011, this is fixed, right? From the host IP address, these bits, 4 bits are fixed, rest are turned on. Okay, the rest also, these 8 bits after this one dot this one is turned on. That means it will definitely be 255, because all turned on means it is 255. So what about this one? Here the 4 bits are fixed. That means this one, these 4 bits are fixed and these 4 bits are turned on. So what is the value of this now? What is the value of this this one now? Just check it. So 32 plus 16, 32, 16, 8, 4, 2, 1. This is what is you have to write here. Okay. Okay, let's calculate the sum of this. So 32, 16 plus 4 is 20, 10, 32 plus 1. So it is 20, 30, 30 plus 30 is 60, 63. That is the value, 63. That is your broadcast address. So you clearly understand now. First you have to write the host IP address. Then how many bits are fixed, check it. So until the clear octet, that let's say for example if it is 18, so 8 plus 8 plus 2 bits will be fixed here if it is 18, right? Because 8 plus 8 is 16, 16 plus 2 is 18. Okay, all right, coming to number of hosts in this network. Okay, so how to calculate number of hosts is how many number of free bits are there, those many. So first 2 power number of free bits minus 2. This is what is number of hosts. That means 2 power, see 20 bits are fixed means how many bits are free out of 32. 20 bits are fixed means how many are free? 12 are free. 2 power 12 minus 2 is equal to number of hosts. These many number of hosts will be there inside that network. Why this 2 is because see, one is assigned to network address and another, the last one is assigned to the broadcast address. Usually the first IP of the any network is assigned to network address and the last IP of the network is assigned as the broadcast address. That is why we exclude these two out of all the hosts. Okay, we exclude these two, and how many ever the hosts are there, that will become the total number of hosts that are possible inside that network. So this is the entire concept of subnetting. Let's take another example. Okay, let's take another example. 1085.60 22 yeah, 22. Okay, let's take this example. Okay, this time, so here you have to write 128 64, half of it is 64, half of it is 32, half of it is 16, 8, 4, 2, 1. Okay, first clearly write down the host IP address or host address. Clearly it is 172.10.85.60. okay, this is the host address. The 22 bits are fixed. From the CIDR notation we can clearly see the 22 bits are fixed. 22 means 8 plus 8 16, 16 plus 8 is 24. So this is where we have to be careful. That means 8 plus 8 16 bits are for sure fixed, right? So the network address has fixed bits 172.10. So these are fixed. This is where we have to understand. So 22 means 16 plus how much is 22? 16 plus 6 is 22, right? That means the 6 bits are fixed, 2 bits are free, and the rest of the bits are free. So here you have to understand, out of these 8 bits, 6 bits are free because 8 plus 6 is 22. 16 plus 6 is 22. That's why the 6 bits are fixed in this octet and the 2 bits are free in this octet, and all the 8 bits are fixed in this octet. Okay, so let's write down 85 in this binary format. Okay, so 85 means it is 64. Okay, 64 plus 16 is 70, 80, yes, 80 plus 4, 84, 0, 0, 0. Just calculate this one. 64 plus 16 is 70, 80, 80 plus 4, that will become 84 plus 1, right? Sorry, it is 85, so it's 1 here, 85, right? So it is 85. So this one is turned on. So that's 85. 6 bits are fixed, that means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These bits are fixed as is, you have to take 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1. So the rest of the bits are turned off, means that will become network address, is it or not? The rest of the bits are turned off means it will become the network address. So I'm turning these two off. So what is the value of this? Now just check it. 64 plus 16 plus 4, this is the value. So 20, 84, is it not 84? Yes, it is 84. So let's write down 84, and the rest of the bits are turned in this octet, means it will definitely be 0. Okay, that is network address. Next, coming to broadcast address. Okay, coming to broadcast address. So these two octets are fully filled, that means these two are fixed. Coming to this point, these 6 bits are fixed. See, these fixed, okay, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1. See, these 6 bits are fixed and the rest are turned on. So rest of the 2 are turned on here, and in another octet also it is turned on. 8 bits are turned on. See, these 8 bits are turned on. So all those 8 bits are turned on means it will become 255 in this octet. And what is the value of this? Let's calculate this. So it is 64. Sorry. So it is 64. It is 32, 16. It is 16, 4, 2, 1. Is it not? Just check it. 64, 16, 4, 2, 1. Yes, it's correct. So 16 plus 4, 20. 20 plus 67, 87. This is 87. So that will become 87. 87.255. That's your broadcast address. Okay. So coming to number of hosts, how many free bits are there? 2 power 22 means 8 plus 2, 10. 2 power 10 minus 2. These many hosts are there. Hosts inside that network. Okay. Let's take one more example and clearly understand this. 170, 10, 60, 16. $60, 16, 29. So this time this is the example. Okay, you can clearly see there the CIDR notation. It says 29. That means the first 29 bits are fixed from the host IP address and the rest are turned off. Turned off means 0. 0 means that will become your network address. If the rest of the bits are turned on means that will become your broadcast address. Okay, let's work it out. 128 and 64, 32, 16, 8, 4, 2, 1. Okay. So here this fit 8 bits, these 8 bits, 16 bits in total, and here 8 bits, 24 bits in total. 24 plus how much is 29? 24 plus how much is 29? 5 is 29. That means 5 bits are fixed here and rest of 3 bits are not fixed in this 8 bits. Okay, you can clearly see 29 means 8 plus 8 plus 8, 24. 24 plus 5, so 5 bits will become the 29, right? That means let's first write down the host IP address. 172.10.60.16. Next, coming here, network address. So network address is, see, these 3 are fixed, right? That means 172.10.60 are fixed. So here is where we have to split out. So that means we have to write down 16 here. Okay, 16 means directly we have number 16 here, so rest are turned 0. Okay, this is 16, right? Here you can clearly see, sorry, yeah, 16 directly a number is there, so that is turned on, the rest are 0, that will become 16. Out of this, the 5 bits are fixed, the 5 bits are fixed and 3 bits are free. These bits are fixed, 0 0 0 1 0, these are fixed, the rest are turned 0, that will become 16 only, right? This will become 16 only, right? So dot 16, this is what is your network address. Next, coming to broadcast address. So again the same thing, 172.10.60, these are fixed, and in here from the host IP address, the 5 bits are fixed and the rest are turned on. That means 0 0 0 1 0, the rest are turned on, 1 1 1. What is the value of this one? 16 plus this is 16, this is okay, this is 16, this is 4, this is 2, this is 1, 20 23 is the value, so it is 23. This is your broadcast address. Now you can clearly see from the network address to broadcast address, what is the difference there? 16 to 23, 23 minus 16 will become 4 plus 3, 7. So 7 hosts are there, out of which one is network and one is broadcast. So if 2 is out, that will become 5. So 5 is the number of hosts. You can calculate this via the same thing, the number of free bits here, 2 power, number of free bits is 1 2 3, 3 minus 2, 2 power 3 is 8, 8 minus 2 is 6. Okay, just a second, 16 17 18 19 4, 4 plus 3 7, 7 minus 2 is, well, it's actually 8, because it is including 16, right? Including 16, 16 17 18 19 20 21 22 23, so that will become 8. My bad, it's 8. 8 minus 2 is 6, that's how it is 6. 2 power 3 minus 2, it is 6, right? So first one is network address, the last one is broadcast address. So please practice this a bit, guys, so that you will have much idea. Thank you.